Okay, it's really loud in here. I'm at the Cheesecake Factory and I have ordered the Cajun jambalaya pasta. And I hope it's going to be good. And it's here. And it looks amazing. I can already tell this is a nose runner. Let's try it. Those peppers look really good. All of it looks great. My nose is under. Oh my gosh. So good. That's really good. Tried the Cajun jambalaya pasta at Cheesecake Factory. Well, quite honestly, I'm a little disappointed. There's not any heat to it. The peppers and onion were good. The shrimp was good, but I was expecting and hoping for a little more kick to it. It's just a little blah. I won't get this again.